'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
We are going to the beach. We are going to the beach. It is fucking hot today. It is fucking hot today. So we're going to the beach. We're gonna have a beach day. Can't wait. We couldn't decide what we wanted to do too. We were gonna go to indoor jumping area, but we were gonna literally just about to go hike. It's way too fucking hot. Let's just go to the beach. We have not gone to the beach yet. And we checked, we called, we already asked Google what's the water temperature in Lake Tahoe. It's not bad still. And then the temperature in Tahoe today, it's not gonna be bad together. They're pretty much evened out today. It's 70 between 50 degrees, both of them in comparison. Not bad. And it's only 12 p.m. so it'll probably gonna go a little bit higher once it's like 3 p.m., you know? So it's a good deal. Good deal, papas, right? Don't fall asleep now. We're gonna have a very fun day today. Ew. Alright, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, share, and like. And let's get this vlog started. You guys know where I'm at. It's just we're gonna say hello to someone special. This is how we do it. I'll sing the song for you guys in the radio. Cause I don't know. I don't want them to copyright my shit and be like using my shit for money. Because they could do that, they said. I'd rather have it for me, not for them, you know? I don't want to put on copyright music. Not now. I'm just, yeah. You guys get what I mean. When they got freaking chips on the way out for free. They already wasted. Were you saying that to everybody? What's that? What's that, Papas? Flower. Say flower. Flower. Doesn't the water look so beautiful? Oh my goodness, my own baby just farted on me. Oh, I see a blue crack from my distance. Yeah, it's a flower. Flower. That's enough flowers, though. Hey. Óyeme. Who wants that? No. Hey, what's going on here, huh? What's happening?
Oh my god. Oh my god! What are you doing?
You want it? Hey, why are you gonna have some soda? You too small for that. Oh. Hey, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, Noel. I am tired. Instead of going to the freaking beach, we get stopped. Our car doesn't work no more. So now we're over here chilling with my family. You know, we were supposed to go to like the beach day and all that. It didn't happen. But then we went to the park. And while we were going to the park, my car breaks down somewhere else when I let them be out on a quick errand by going to the Caesar someone. And I guess they end up going to the waterfall. We're in Lake Tahoe, if you guys know where that's at. And that's where my car broke down. And then the freaking cops shows up of them just not wanting to tow my car because I wasn't there. So I had my mom to come take me and get there before they towed it and take it to the pound, which I got there on time. I showed them my proof. They're being assholes because they're all kept talking shit about their dad and someone, which wasn't okay, you know. And I backed them out. And we only got one person out of the car because they put them both in handcuffs. I was like, what the fuck? They put them both in handcuffs. And now we're here. We're all out. One got into jail. The other one didn't, which was their dad. He didn't went in jail, but someone else did. I don't want to say her name or anything, or she, or he, whatever, but yeah. I just don't know if it's okay for me to say it on his part, you know? But yeah. Rough day. Now we're here at my mom's house, and we're gonna get probably maybe an Uber drive or someone to give us a ride back to Carson, because their dad has to go to work tomorrow, and then we need to find out how to fix our car. But the car got towed to my mom's place so we could fix it. But there goes our day. What a rough day, I know. And it was so hot. You have no idea. My kids got so tired and they were taking their nap. But oh well, it's over here. Sorry, fucking shit. Keep pulling my damn charger. But anyways, they did record it. They were trying to put her into like stupid shit and everything, but I do have a video. I can show you guys a video once I'm able to edit it or whatever, that they recorded proof so they won't get into actual trouble. What they were trying to put her or him or both of them into jail for excuses they wanted to give them. But we have a video about it, so if you guys want me to post the video up about it, I could do that. But I don't know. I gotta edit that, so that's the thing. Hey, you other kid?
I know we should cut his hair
He needs a
too.
little haircut.
You need a haircut, don't you, baby?
Like, don't buzz him, but like, no, baby needs. Why are you videotaping me? Can you not? Because his cute face. I was videotaping
Oh,
you.
mine are no things. Gracias.
Are you his?
Oh.
Are you a he? I just want to record his little cute face he has right there.
Wormy. He wants him to go up more.
You want a little lizard baby then? Crawling on me? Iguana.
¿Y tú tienes una bicicleta?
An iguana.
You wanna ride?
Let's go ride.
You wanna ride? Vidy.
Oh, you think Vidy you gonna ride?
Vidy won't go for a bike like
You
you.
give it a ride, Vidy.
No, I tried. Just give me a block of only doing it. I mean, I would.
Why?
My body's not used to it because I don't do it all the time like I did back then.
Yeah.
Oi! Intruder! She's letting her friends out. Cover your eyes. All her party animals are coming out. Don't kill them, don't squish it. It's all dried out, it's gonna die anyways. From the gum. Look at his hand has gum all over the place too. Put it down now.
Oh.